Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya and today this video is very special is because it's the most asked video on Instagram and this is about how I did the makeover of this room, so stay tuned for it. So guys, welcome back, and before I go ahead and show how I designed this room, I just want to give you a little background. Ever since the COVID has started, I'm working from home and I'm making home videos and stuff, and then I wanted a very good backdrop. So I started shooting in the garden, and whoever's following me on Instagram, they would know how my garden looks. I made it really pretty, but the disadvantage of shooting in the garden is like, I have to depend on the sunlight and it rains a lot in Siliguri, and also kids, when they play outside, they make a lot of noise, so there's a lot of background disturbance, and it is totally, my shoot used to be totally dependent on the external factors of who is walking, which car is passing by. So that's when I wanted this indoor setup. And also I also want to design something which is very cozy, so that if I want to have a coffee or if I want to read a book or something, I want this room to be even comfortable for that. So without a further ado, let me just take you around like what all went into this video on this wall and how I designed it, where I bought the stuff, so stay tuned for it. So guys, let me just take you around this wall. So first I've decided on the theme, so I picked a few colors which are my favorite colors, so the first one is the pink, blue and white. So you will see most of the things on the wall in those colors, and also this wall was white before, and to add a little bit of contrast, so I colored it pink. So that's the first basic thing I started. And then next comes this, so this wall hanging, what you see here is hand knitted by my friend whom I met on Instagram. So she started this new business called Tale of Knots, and she does amazing job for it. So I'm going to link every product link and the reference in the description below, so make sure you click on it if you really want to buy a similar products. So I started with this wall hanging, and then next comes the frames. So I bought these blue and white frames. This is a set from Amazon. In fact, it had more other frames, but I've excluded a little bit and I've added what I wanted. So these are mostly travel related because I wanted the travel blogger kind of a theme to it. So this is my favorite watch in the recent time, like wall clock, and this one I bought from Chumbak, and it has like very nice poppy color, so it has a set. So that's about this watch. And next comes this travel map. So this is my first ever travel map I bought after I started traveling, so it always reminds me where next. And then also, I forgot to tell you, this anchor also comes as part of this frames package which I bought from Amazon. So moving on, so this particular wall hanging, this is my happy place. So this one I bought it from Amazon. I'm also going to link it. So I really love this caption and also the way it is. So that's about it. So I'm going to show you what went on the rest of the. So guys, next up is these little cute stuff I bought, some from Chumbak, Amazon, and some from my Europe travels. And so this love signboard is a battery operated signboard, and I bought it from Amazon. And I really love this squeeze the day little basket holder from Chumbak, and it was on sale. I got it for like really cheap price, and I just love the color of it. And then this one is Adventure, which is also from Chumbak, and you should, if you're really fan of Chumbak products, and you should try buying them during the sale. You'll get it for a very cheap prices and very cute stuff. And then these shelves, the set of 3 shelves, also I bought it from Amazon during sale. I think I got this for around 400 rupees. They were dead cheap, and you can easily fix them on the wall and they're removable. And then I'm using them as a bookshelf here. and also to put little decorative stuff. And the frame here, so you would see these frames which I've used in different parts of my home decor, like you'll also see in my garden decor also. So these are handcrafted frames, and if you ever been to Mumbai, you will see these frames are handcrafted on the roadside of Bandra. And so I picked up these frames, and then next comes this heart symbol. This I bought it from Athens when I went, I think 3 years back when I went to Athens, so I picked this up. And there was one supermarket, it's called Jumbo Supermarket in Athens, and in that you find all these cute little stuff for cheap prices. And this heart thing, it has a candle holder, by the way, and believe me, this is just €2. So I picked up a lot of pieces from Athens, and this is one of them. And moving on to this, this is a little plant holder, and then the cute owl, what you're seeing, is also from Chumbak. So if you notice, then everything is in the turquoise green or a blue color or white color. So this is how I actually imagine my theme. And the final one, that mug Italy, that's what Italy is written on that, is again a gift for me. One of my friend has been to Italy, and he has given me that gift. So I put that mug there because it also has a similar colors, and it goes well with the travel themes. And then the next comes is the cute plant holder, the wooden plant holder. So even the wooden plant holder is from Amazon, and you can either use it for a plant holder, or you can put a decor stuff, or it is pretty functional. And I'm going to link that also in the description below. And so I use this as a plant holder, and both these blue and white symmetric design ceramic plant holders also I bought it from Amazon. And then the little frog, what you see there, that is my personal favorite. It's made out of metal, and it is super cute, and it's also from Chumbak. So guys, next up is this corner, and this is a very important corner because that's my personal favorite, because it has a lot of plants, and I love keeping indoor and outdoor plants. And these plants are placed in this corner because this corner is right next to the window, and then in the mornings if I just draw the curtains, and I can get a lot of sunlight. In that way I do not have to keep shifting the plants for the sunlight and bringing them back. And also I wanted to create a different elevated spaces, so I started off with a plant hanger on the top. So the top one, what you see, is from a company called My Sunny Balcony. So I bought this metal plant holder like around 7 years back. So there is this store called My Sunny Balcony. So they are specialized in selling garden decor or balcony decor. So when they opened the shop in Bangalore, I went and I bought this cute stuff from that. And so this is that old. And so then the butterfly, what you see below that, it is a hanger. So this one also I bought it from the Jumbo market. Remember I told you previously that when I went to Athens, I found this very nice supermarket which is called Jumbo market, and guess what, even the price of that hanger is also €2. And the next thing is the plant hanging holder. This is also a hand knitted one, but I bought this set of 5 from Amazon, and I'm going to link that also. And for the pot, it's a plastic pot, and I have painted it in different colors to get the pop of color. And then I put money plant in it because I want something like an overflowing, low maintenance plant which is good indoors and outdoors. So money plant is a good option. So this corner has this corner table, and then I put all this low maintenance plants, and I'm going to write the names of each plant in the description. Except the ZZ plant, everything is low maintenance and needs very less water. So I have chose this colorful plant holders, to give that extra pop of color. And some of them I bought it from a roadside vendor, and some of them I ordered on Amazon. And then next comes this lamp. So this is a very special lamp. So this is my grandmother's lamp, and it's very old. So all is left of this lamp is this jute, the cover of it. So to make it look functional, I have put fairy lights inside it. That's why you get this little star kind of twinkling star kind of effect in it, and you'll also get a very good reflection in the night when the lights are off. And then next comes the star. So this is Pink Pebble, my signboard, and so I usually use a signboard for my mood board stories, for the brands and everything. And I recently bought this from Amazon, so I thought I might as well put it because I need to market my brand. And if you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is Pink Pebble, hence this signboard. And then next comes a scented candle. So of course I bought a blue color scented candle to go with the decor. And then these little shoes, they are from Amsterdam. And so last year when I was in Amsterdam, I bought this from Zaanse Schans. And if you've not seen my Amsterdam shopping vlog, I'll leave it in the link in the description, so go ahead and watch it. You will see what amazing shopping I have done in Amsterdam trip. So guys, next comes the seating area. Of course I made such a pretty backdrop, but I wanted to have a cozy setup, so I have this chair. So this is a very good reading chair because it has a back support, and I bought this pillow cover also. There's a set of pillow covers and I'll show you where I've used them in the different sitting areas. So this is one of those cover, and I love the caption of it, live simply. So this chair, and then comes the another sitting area, so which I'm sitting right now. This one is made out of the cotton mattress that you buy, you see it on the road, like you can buy this for 800 rupees or something. So I had this old two cotton mattresses lying around in the house, so I folded them and I made them as a sitting area, so it's very comfortable and cozy to sit. And I had these pillows again from the same set. So they're also very bright colors and goes with the theme. Comes this puffer. So this puffer is multi-purpose, so you can use it as a puffer to sit, or you can use it as a tea table. So this also I bought it from Amazon and on sale. And then next comes the carpet. So it's like more like a runner, and I really like the color combination of it, and it also perfectly goes with the theme. So I just put the runner here. So this side table is more for a practical purpose, because when you are sitting and chilling here or reading a book, you need something to put on this table like a coffee mug or something, so that's why I put this. However, I also put some plants here. So this planter here you see is also from a roadside vendor, and then this flower vase is a crystal flower vase. It's a very old one which I already have, so I don't remember when I bought this. And then this flowers also I bought it from a local vendor here in Siliguri. And then this butterfly, so you would see these butterflies in most of my garden decor also. So I bought these butterflies from Amazon. They're set of 10 or 12, and they've come for a very cheap price, around 200 rupees or something. They add a lot of glamour and the touch of that nature in it, though it is artificial, but still, you know, it just gives you that touch of, you know, having a bee or a butterfly or next to your plants. And then this is the star of this table, because he is my favorite, and you all know he's Groot from the Avengers. And it also has a plant holder, so it's an optional if you want to put plant in it, or if you don't want to. But I love to put this plant because this plant is succulent, and the way it grows from this, it's like the hair literally growing out. The plant's literally growing from the Groot's hair. And then the one thing I like about this is that smirky smile on his face, which is just the way how they show it in the movie. And then last but not the least is this candle holder. So I love candles around the house, so I bought this during sale in, I think, in Big Basket or something, and last Diwali I bought this. And then this little plate is more like a coaster kind of a plate, and it has a good text on it. It says, "You are amazing," and this is also from Chumbak. So guys, next comes the drapes. So I got these drapes from my aunt. She bought them years ago from IKEA, Netherlands, and I really love the lacy effect of them. And I could put sheer curtains here because we have absolute privacy on this side of the house. And also I love the way they add little drama to this home decor, and hence I chose these white drapes. And then next comes the fairy lights. So I bought two types of fairy lights, and I'm going to link both of them in the description. So yeah, this is the room tour, guys, and I hope you really like them. And please do follow me on Instagram if you want to catch up on cool home decor videos, travel vlogs, Bruno's videos, and also good cooking recipes. So stay tuned for it. And also next week you're going to see my garden decor videos, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like my video. Bye bye.